I want to talk about this rust converter that Felizlab sent me to do a video on. You can see right here, I've got my truck. It's an old truck. It's a 2012, so it's about 17 years old now. And I live up in the Northeast, so lots of snow, lots of rain, lots of salt, and it does a number on my truck without a doubt. I'm going to be working on the frame today. You can see on the inside, I've gone through and I've cleaned part of the frame off. I'm going to be touching that up. I do have some problems on the body as well, but we're going to wait a little bit of while to take care of that. But yeah, prep is very easy. Simply clean the surface. Usually want to apply an abrasive if you have a wire brush or something to kind of prep it ahead of time and make sure that it's dry before you start working on it.
An application is easy. They include a brush for you and additionally some gloves. You can see right there I've got the gloves on to kind of help keep your hands a little bit clean. And after you get the surface cleaned and dried, it's as easy as kind of painting it on like that. And this stuff is great. Like I said, it's a rust converter, and this is also going to be paintable. So after it dries, this can act as a primer for whatever metal you're using it on. And this is great. You can use it on what I am using it on right here. It's good for automotive applications. This is going to be great for anything else. If you have something outdoors that needs some attention, I'm thinking a wrought iron fence. I'm thinking pretty much anything metal that can rust. This is going to be a great help. I'm taking a look at the other side of the truck now, working on the frame over there. And this stuff is great for indoor use too. This is water-based, so using it indoors is going to be absolutely fine. Now, once it's applied, it's suggested you give it about 24 hours before you do any work to it. And they suggest applying 2 to 3 thin coats. So this is my first coat. What I'm going to be doing with this, after 24 hours and it has a chance to dry and cure, I'm going to be going back and putting 2 more coats on over the next couple days. I want to make sure to give my truck all the care and the attention that it needs. Lots of road salt, giving it a hard time up here in the Northeast, so I want to make sure it lasts as long as it can. While I'm working on the frame, I might as well touch up a couple of other spots around the truck. Right here in the back of my truck, this is the toe attachment, so I'm going to make sure to touch that up just to help that fight rust a little bit better as well. And here's the finished product. You can see right here, this has had about an hour to dry. Still needs another 24 hours or so before I'm going to put on a second coat. Taking a look right back here, up behind on the tow hitch, that's a little bit better, getting more sun, so that's drying a little bit quicker. Taking a look at the other side, right there you can see the delineation between the treated area and the untreated area. I think this is going to be really good for helping my truck get a little bit more life. If you'd like to pick up some for yourself, click on the link in the description below.